Browsing sensors added to your organization. In the dashboard menu, you will find measurements and other important information about all sensors added to your organization in the Efento Cloud platform. Dashboard only allows you to browse data without the possibility of editing any data or configuration. Therefore, each user added to your organization will have access to it, no matter what kind of permission he has been granted. Sensors can be presented in the form of a list or on a location map in order to project their real location and make it easier for the user to manage the system. Sensors displayed in dashboard can be filtered. The first way of filtering sensors is by location. In the section Structure on the left side of the dashboard, choose the location in which the sensors you wish to find are. The sensor list or location map will show only sensors from the selected location. The second way of filtering sensors is by status. This filtration can be enabled by clicking the status icon in the upper right corner of the list. Using this filter will cause the list or location map to only display sensors with the selected status: working, lost, low battery, warning, or disabled. Another way of filtering is marking the sensor with a star by clicking the star icon next to the sensor on the right side of the list. After marking selected sensors with a star, you can make the list display only starred sensors by clicking the star icon above the list. The list will be automatically filtered, leaving only starred sensors. The fourth way of filtering is searching for sensors by name or serial number. In the header of the list, there is a field called Name Serial Number. Type in the sensor's name or serial number you wish to find, and the list will display the sensors you are interested in. If there are few sensors containing keyed-in characters, all of them will be displayed on the list. Sensors can also be sorted by any value from the list. To do this, click on the arrow symbols next to the selected value. You can also filter sensors by the type of measurement. For instance, filter only sensors which measure humidity. To do this, click on the title of the penultimate column and click the types you wish to display. If you click on a sensor on the list or on the location map, you will see its detailed data, such as list of alarms with date and time of their occurrence, measurement of data in the form of a chart or table, or you will be able to export the sensor's measurements from a selected time period as a PDF or CSV report. The Alarms tab contains the list of alarm occurrences with date, time, and cause of alarm indication, including the name of the alarm rule. If the sensor is back in its safe state, the user can confirm that the alarm was seen. After confirming the alarm, the notifications about it will not be displayed again in the platform. The Charts tab contains a chart with measurements. In the upper right corner of the chart, you can choose what physical value should be presented on the chart and adjust the time frame of displayed measurements. You can freely zoom in the chart by selecting the area you want to zoom with your mouse. To get back to regular scale, click Zoom Out in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Reports tab, you can generate a report with the sensor's measurements from a selected time period. In order to generate a report, choose the beginning and end date of the report and set the measurement's density. Reports include all measurements sent to the platform by the sensors and also events registered in the selected period of time. Clicking Export to PDF or Export to CSV will automatically generate a report and send it to your email address within a few minutes. In the Table tab, you will find a table with all measurements sent by the selected sensor to the platform. The table allows you to easily browse the measurements. If you need to find a specific one, choose the date from which you wish to browse the measurements from the calendar in the upper right corner of the table.